Alright, so I'm replacing my rusted out muffler on my Simpson 420cc pressure washer as the water cannon. I couldn't find an actual replacement for it, so I kind of measured, you can see where it's rusted out there. I kind of measured the lengths or the spacing on the studs and went looking online, found this one on Amazon. I think this is actually listed as being for a Honda. I'll put the link down in the description, and it'll be an affiliate link for Amazon if you want to help the channel out a little bit at no extra cost for you. I do earn a little commission off of any sales through that link. But I'm gonna bolt it up, see how it does. The first thing I notice is, this one's got the open grate. This one just has vents around. The original is a good bit heavier than the replacement, which is kind of normal. I mean, usually OEM stuff is better, but like I said, I couldn't find a replacement, so went with this. The only problem I have with the way this came, it was shipped in a box wrapped in bubble wrap, everything fine. The only problem is the gasket and the bolts are down there somehow or another, so I'm gonna take this cover off and pull those out and then get it bolted on. So I took that cover off, 5/16 bolts, pulled it off, pulled the little muffler out, and here's what they give you. They actually give you the gasket to bolt the muffler to the manifold. They also give you the gasket for the manifold to the engine, and you need 3 nuts for the muffler, and they give you 2 for the manifold, even though the manifold is not included in this kit. There is a kit that includes the manifold, but I've seen where it looks like it might be a different diameter, I guess, than what comes on the OEM machines, and people are having a hard time using them. I just figured mine was so rusted up, I probably have a hard time getting it off to start with, so I just ordered the muffler because that's really all I needed. But anyway, I'll put that link down in the description. Like I said, it's not OEM quality, but it does bolt up. And if you're wondering what this fits, the short-sided studs, center to center is 2 1/8 inches, and on the wider part is 2 3/8 inches. That's center to stud to center to stud. So if you need to measure, if you got something you're not sure to fit because it's not listed, like this one wasn't, that's your measurements. 2 1/8 inch on these two, and 2 3/8 center to center on these two. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Alright, we're about to get a thunderstorm here, but real quickly, that's it installed. And you got 1/2 inch nuts going to studs, and they got the serrated type back on them to grip, keep them from backing off. I still put a little bit of Loctite on them though. 1/2 inch gasket in between that and your manifold, and there it is installed. Thanks for watching, y'all.